In this video, we will learn about adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. Why is it important to understand and use adjectives? Suppose your friend Alex is giving his dog a bath. The dog is in the pool, and your friend realizes he has forgotten the shampoo. Please hurry! Grab the bottle from the kitchen counter! You run inside. You see 2 bottles, one green and one blue. You grab the green one and run outside. Alex looks at the bottle. Oops, this is our laundry detergent. Sorry, I should have asked for the blue bottle. If Alex had asked for the blue bottle, he would have received the correct bottle the first time. Look at this sentence. Grab the blue bottle. Blue is an adjective. It tells what color the bottle is. Here's another example of how adjectives help keep things clear. We need 2 eggs for this recipe. The adjective two tells how many. Adjectives give details about nouns and make sentences more interesting. Let's look at another kind of word that describes. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell when, where, how, or how much. Here are examples. Very hard rain began to fall. The adverb very tells how hard. We immediately grabbed our umbrellas. The adverb immediately tells when we grabbed the umbrellas. Puddles of water formed nearby. The adverb nearby tells where puddles formed. And that's how you use adjectives and adverbs. See you next time.